Good morning everyone. Students, once again welcome to the online bridge course classes for PUC first year students. In last video we already discussed what are hydrocarbons, what are the types of hydrocarbons and its classification. And in presence of aliphatic hydrocarbons there are three types. We know what are those three types: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. And in presence of classification of hydrocarbons, the another part related to aromatic hydrocarbons. Now we will see what are aromatic hydrocarbons. Students, remember the hydrocarbon means hydrogen and carbon containing compound. It is present with an benzene ring. Means hydrocarbons which contain aromatic ring are called as aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons, these are the hydrocarbons which containing at least one benzene ring. Remember students, the most common aromatic hydrocarbons are those contain at least one benzene ring. What is the formula of benzene? You know, C6H6 is the formula of benzene. Yes, you know, here carbon is present, here carbon, here carbon, here one carbon, here and here. Means it contains 6 carbon atoms and surrounded by 6 hydrogen atoms. Right? It is an example for aromatic hydrocarbon. Next, reactive sites in hydrocarbons. When we observe the concept of reactive sites in hydrocarbons, then first we know what are functional group. That is the very important point. What is functional group, students? An atom or group of atom which determine the properties of a particular compound. An atom or group of atom which determines or which shows the properties of a particular compound is called as functional group. Remember, functional group, it is an structural unit which is present in a molecule and it is responsible for characteristic behaviors under a particular set of reaction conditions. What is functional group, students? An atom or group of atom which shows the properties of a compound or a molecule. You see here, in presence of alkenes, here I taken one reaction. Here RH is present, here H it indicates hydrogen and this R is any alkyl or aryl group. Yes, now it changes to RX. Here X, it is one particular group. Right? See here. Here functional group is hydrogen. Here this hydrogen is one of the functional group. Right? Next, reaction takes place is substitution here. Yes, when we observe the reactants and products, what happens? This hydrogen is replaced by one X group. Right? Means H is replaced in a particular reaction. See here, one of the hydrogen is replaced by some other atom or group. This is an example for substitution reaction. Yes, take another reaction. Here carbon-carbon single bond compound is present. Therefore, it is one of the alkane. If you know the name of the compound is ethane because it contains 2 carbon atoms. Therefore, eth word is used and it contains single bond. Yes, definitely it is the ethane. when it is react with chlorine molecule. Yes, see here. When it is react with chlorine molecule, then the product like this one. Here 2 carbon atoms and with 1 chloride atom. What is the difference between the first structure and the second structure? Here this one is the first structure and this one is the second structure. What is the difference between these two? What happens in a particular reaction? Students, remember here one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by Cl atom. Totally how many Cl atoms are present here? 2. Among these 2 Cl atoms, one of the Cl is replaced by an hydrogen atom. Is it right? As this H is replaced by Cl here. Right? And this removed H and another remaining Cl takes place here. Yes. Therefore, here it is also an example for substitution reaction. Next, functional groups in hydrocarbons. Yes, when we observe the alkanes, in alkanes the functional group is usually a single bond, means RH bond is present. R means any alkyl group and hydrogen they contain single bond. In alkenes there is a double bond. You know, in the last video, alkenes are the compounds which containing carbon-carbon double bond. Ethene is the best example. And alkynes, here functional group is triple bond. The compounds which contain carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. Yes, triple bond here it is the functional group because it determines if the carbon atoms containing triple bond, then it is an example for alkyne. Right? Here functional group, it determines the general properties of particular compound. As in presence of arenes, aromatic compound with hydrogen. Next, the key functional groups. Students, you know what are alcohols? What is the functional group of alcohols? Yes, alcohols functional group is OH. As here R means any alkyl group. If you take an example CS3OH, here OH group is present. It is the functional group of alcohol. If the question asks like what is the functional group of alcohols, then your answer is OH, means alcohol group. Alcohol functional group is OH. CS3OH, name of the compound is methanol. Methanol, because it contains 1 carbon atom, meth is used, and OH, it contains OH group, means it is an example for alcohol. Yes. Next, alkyl halides. Alkyl halides containing groups like RX. Here X it indicates chlorine, chlorine, bromine as well as iodine. And functional group of amines. Amines functional group. In presence of amines there are 3 types. Primary amines group is RNH2, secondary amines R2NH, and tertiary amine R3N. Okay students, in the next video we will see some more important points related to this functional groups. Thank you.